Hello, in this video we will discuss how we can represent percentage change or percentages. Normally it is used in percentage change that the arrows. You can see here the percentage is calculated, percentage change is calculated that what is the change in the sale of quarter one and quarter two data. Here you can see that for laptops it is 92% increase, means in quarter one the sale was less, in quarter two sale was increase. Then pen tab, it is a negative sign, means the sale is decrease. In quarter one it was around 41k, 4145, and in q2 it is less, so it was a drop in sale by minus 21.2%. Similarly, you can see all other records. Actually, if you represent data like this, so in first look you cannot identify where is sale is increased or where sale is decreased. You need little time to think about the situation. But if we use arrows, you can see these arrows along with percentages and colors, then in first look you can identify that where is the problem, in which sale, in which item the sale is decreased or increased. Normally, the stock market shares are also shown like this. So I will, and it is very good method, decent method to represent the data, especially the change in the percentage. Now I'll tell you how we can do it. First of all, I will tell you how we can calculate the percentage change. Percentage change, uh, just write the formula equal to sign, bracket start, Q2 sale minus Q1 sale, bracket close, divided by Q1 sale. Okay, so this is the percentage change, and make sure that here in the cell you have selected the proper value. Normally the cell format is in general format. It will, the calculation result will be like this. Go here, or you can see this percentage sign. Otherwise, here click this drop down arrow in the home page, or you can click on the cell, right click, format cell, and here you can select the percentage. When you select the percentage, then mention how many, you can choose how many decimal places you want to see. So here I have selected two decimal places. Okay, so you can see now it is shown in the percentage. Just drag it down to other cells to keep the same format. Now percentage change is calculated. We will insert the arrows now. Okay, select the cell, go to, no, before that we will copy the up arrow and down arrow symbols here. Click on cell. This cell will not be used later on. We will remove this. Uh, Go to insert tab and this symbols. Click symbols, symbol, and this up arrow, select up arrow, insert, then click on down arrow, insert, close. Now you can see both the arrows are here in the cell. Select the cell and copy these arrows from the formula bar. Do not copy like this, control C, like this. These dotted lines will be created, and we'll not be able to copy them in other window. I'll show you why. Just click and copy them from select, and right click, copy. Copy these arrows from here. Do not copy from here. Okay, now select the cell where we will show the arrows. Right click, format cell, here custom format, and then this clear whatever is here, clear, and then control V, paste those two arrows. Now you can see this red line. We have to make the same command. We have to write the same command here. So bracket start, green, up arrow, for up arrow it will be green color, GREEN, green, bracket close, Then up arrow sign is there. After up arrow, you can write 0%. Then the colon sign. I think it is called colon or semicolon. I always get confused. Anyways, then bracket start, red, bracket close, down arrow, and then 0%. As in this window, it is the size is very small, the font size, and maybe it is not clear or visible to you. That's why I have written in red color here. Just copy this line and paste as it is here. Select the custom and paste as it is here. Press OK. Now you can see the arrow is placed there because we have the positive percentage, mean change is positive, then arrow is up. Drag it down to other cells. Now you can say wherever the change was negative, arrow down is printed, and wherever the change was in positive, arrow up is printed. Now you can select this and go to home tab, and you can make it bold or whatever size you want to change, you can do it. Now we can remove these two arrows, no need for them. So this is the way you can present arrows with the percentage.